Let's be honest, TPMS warning lights are one of those things customers love to ignore. Right up until tire season hits, the weather changes, or they fail inspection. And for technicians, TPMS service has become part of everyday life. Dead batteries, broken valve stems, damaged sensors, relearns that don't cooperate. It's all part of the game now. That's where Tirevio comes in. Tirevio is focused on delivering OE-quality TPMS sensors, service kits, and programming tools designed specifically for the real-world aftermarket. But what makes them interesting isn't just the hardware, it's the background behind the company. Tirevio sensors are manufactured using OEM-level engineering and manufacturing processes. Distribution centers in Indiana and California help support fast availability here in the US. Their engineering and manufacturing team comes from an OEM background and has experience working with global vehicle manufacturers across passenger cars, performance vehicles, and commercial applications. And that matters because TPMS sensors live in a brutal environment. Heat cycles, moisture, road salt, vibration, potholes. These little things take abuse every single day. Every sensor goes through extensive validation testing, including pressure testing, battery life validation, software coverage testing, and high temperature durability testing to help ensure reliable operation. Their product lineup includes universal programming sensors, service kits, and TPMS programming tools powered by ATEC. And if you've done TPMS repairs before, you already know replacing the sensor without replacing the service components is asking for trouble. Valve seals dry out, cores corrode, cap seize, and 6 months later, the customer is back with a leak. Tirevio offers both rubber snap-in and clamp-in style sensors depending on the application. On the tool side, Tirevio is compatible with the Tirevio TV41 tool powered by ATEC and ATEC Open Tools, which means technicians get familiar operation along with broad vehicle coverage and sensor programming capability. So let's install one and see how the process works in the real world. This vehicle came in with a TPMS fault caused by a failed sensor battery. After removing the tire from the wheel, the old sensor is removed and the new Tirevio sensor is installed. Proper torque on that valve hardware is critical. This step matters. Too loose and it leaks. Too tight and you can damage the sensor or the wheel. After the sensor is mounted, it can be relearned with the Tirevio tool. Depending on the vehicle, the technician can either clone the original sensor information or create a new sensor ID and perform a relearn procedure. After the relearn is complete, the system recognizes the new sensor and the warning light is gone. At the end of the day, TPMS repair is about reliability, coverage, and making the repair process easier for the technician. Tirevio aims to deliver all three with OE-focused engineering, aftermarket-friendly solutions, and tools designed to keep shops moving. To learn more about Tirevio TPMS sensors, service kits, and programming solutions, visit tirevio.com. Thanks for watching.